Well, hello everyone. Welcome to 4th grade Excel lesson 103. Today we are going to fill in missing numbers in a sequence that is counting by 11 or 12. So basically, we just gave you the answer. It's your lucky day. This is not going to be too tough. So we're going to fill in the missing numbers for each of these series. Here we go. First one that we're looking at is 324, 336, 348, and 360. Now, if you're confused and you're like, I don't know how much that's counting by, all you have to do is do a subtraction problem, just like this. The next number is 336. That's the bigger number. 324 is a little bit smaller, so I'm going to do subtraction here. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0, so the number is changing by 12. And notice that these numbers are going up as they go along here. So 12 more than 360, is 372, right? 12 more than 360, 372. All right, why don't you pause the video and try number 2 on your own? So you should have already done this from 540 to 529. These numbers are going down. How much are they going down by? Well, if you're not sure, you could put the bigger number above the smaller number. 8 minus 7 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So it's changing by 11. Now the numbers are going down that way, which means when we go back this way, they go up. What's 11 more than 540? 551 is 11 more than 540. All right, hopefully these are easy for you. Go ahead and do 3 through 6 right now. All those 4 problems, 3 through 6. Pause the video. So here we go. You should have already done these. 135, 124, 113, 102. I can write 102, underneath 113, and I get 11. And so I am going to go down 11 because these numbers are all going down that way. Down 11 from 102, and you might not be able to do that in your head. So I'm going to write this. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then basically I have 10 minus 1 right there, which is 9. So the answer is 91. All right, this next one, 305, 305 from 317, that's equal to 12. So the numbers are getting higher that way, so I need to get lower this way. 305 minus 12. Well, what I would do then is take 2 off of the 5, that's 3, and take 1 off of the 30. This is how I do this in my head. 1 off of the 30 is 29. Now this way, I've got to go up 12. I'm going to do 300 still, obviously. And then the 4 becomes a 5. And the 1, I add 2 to that one to make 3. 353. If that's too hard for you, you can put a 12 right here and just add like that. There you go. Okay, next one, 427, 438. 7 to 8, it's going up 1, and 2 to 3 is going up 1. So it's going up 11. And the numbers are getting higher as they go this way. 11 more than 460 is 471. Fix your answers, by the way, if you're making any mistakes here. And 645, 633, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So it's going down 12 every time. If you have a hard time with that, you can just do the subtraction. 9 minus 2 is 7. 60 minus 1 is 59. 1 less than 60 is 59. 597. Take 12 off of that, and you get a 5 there, an 8 there, and a 5 there. So you got 585. Fix your paper if you have any mistakes. You can pause and go ahead and do this checkbox right here and turn the video back on once you've done it. All right, so you got 789, 777, 765. Those are going down 12 every time, which means we got to go back up 12 here. And we're going to get, what is 12 more than 789? Ooh, that's a little tricky. 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry the 1. Oh, that's 10. Because 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. Got to carry that 1 over there. 801. I bet some of you had a little tricky time with that one maybe, huh? And then we got to go down 12 from 753, and that's 741. If By the way, if you ever have two numbers that are the same in a series, let's say you got 765 there. Well, there's already 765 in here. How could it go 765, 753, and then back up to 765? You're not going to have two numbers that are the same. 555, 566, 5. Oh, look at this. 55, 66, 77, 88. Obviously changing by 11. After 88 is 99. And then what's 11 more than 599? If you need to write it down like this to add it up, you can. But I know it's 610. And let's add these together. We got 801, 741, 599, and 610. Woo, that's a lot of numbers to add together. 9, 1, and 1 makes 11. Regroup with the 1. I've got 9 and 1 down here. That's 10. And then 5 up there. That's 15. Regroup with that one. And then let's look for some easy ones here. We got 8 and 7 is 15 plus 1 is 16. And then I got 11 there. 16 and 11 is 27. All right. Fix your paper if you need to. Pause the video, do the math facts, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the answers. 9 times 8, 72. 12 times 11 is 121. No, that's not right. That's 131, right? 132. 132. Woo! I'm messing up my own problems here. Some teacher I am. Okay, 132. Almost got that one wrong. 42. 8 times 8 is 64. 63. 144. 81. 56. 11 times 9. 6 times 7. 4 times 6 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 4 is 32. 3 times 8 is 24. Last line. 12 times 7 is 84. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 6 is 48. 3 times 9 is 27. 12 times 5 is 60. And 4 times 9 is 36. All right, well, fix any of those answers you got wrong.